Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldman Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2017 Audi A4 2.0T. This one's gray. Underneath the hood is an inline 2-liter turbo pushing out 252 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does come with front and rear LED daytime running lights, 18-inch alloys, S-Line badging on the fender, black leather interior, sunroof. Coming around back, A4 2.0T Quattro badging. Opening up the tailgate. Got a set of all-season and regular floor mats, fold-down rear seats. Coming up front, we got a natural gray oak wood trim, memory seats, power windows, power seats, S-Line running boards, steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation, rear view backup camera sensors, dual climate controls, hard keys for media display, 7-speed automatic transmission. This A4 has 33,682 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this Audi A4, check out feldmanimports.com.